Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a coconut flan, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. So here I have my white sugar, my condensed milk, coconut milk, vanilla extract, my eggs, and sweetened coconut flakes. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is add my sugar to my pot. Okay, and I'm going to turn on my flame to a medium low. I am also going to add some water, which is a new trick that I learned that makes it easier so your sugar won't burn. And I'm just going to mix it. Okay guys, so I did add extra water. This is the way you want it to look. Okay, I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. I just want to show you how it's bubbling up. That's what you want until the water evaporates. Okay, I just want to show you again how the water is evaporating. Okay guys, I just want to show you how it's starting to brown. You want to stir it constantly at this point, okay? I have pieces falling from the side. That's fine, it will melt. Put your flames on low. Okay guys, so this is ready to put in our pan. You see how nice it looks? That's what you want, okay? Now we're going to turn off the flames. Okay guys, so this part, be careful. It is very, very, very hot. So I know as soon as you put it in, even the baking pan is going to turn hot. Okay, so you're just going to pour it in quick, just like that. Okay, be careful, just move it around. You want it to coat every side of the dish. Okay, and when doing so, again, be careful. Okay guys, so I finished coating my pan. It's very hot. I'm like burning myself right now. So what I'm gonna do is just put this on the side, and we're gonna jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now we're gonna make the custard to the flan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come and pour my coconut milk. Shake it very well before opening this. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna pour my coconut milk. Okay, I'm also gonna add my vanilla extract. I'm gonna add my 4 eggs. Okay, you want to put it whole, just like that. Be careful it doesn't splash everywhere, so I'm just gonna pour it one by one. See that? Okay, I'm also going to add my condensed milk, so I'm gonna just let it pour, and I'm gonna help it out because it's so thick. Okay, make sure you get every little bit out of it, because this is what's gonna give it the sweetness. And the good thing about this is that it's not too sweet. Okay, well, the way I make it, it's just perfect. It's amazing. Okay, and I'm also gonna add my coconut flakes. Okay, again, I will have the ingredients I'm using in my description below, and the amount that I'm using as well. Okay, so now we're gonna close everything up, and we're gonna blend. Okay guys, so I actually let this blend for exactly 1 minute because I want everything to just blend and smoothen out and come out really creamy. Okay, so now we're gonna pour this into our baking pan. Okay guys, so don't forget, when you make a flan, you always gotta do the baño de Maria. Okay, so what we do is take the dish that we added our sugar into, and where we're gonna put our custard, and we're gonna put it into another bowl, just like this in the middle, and we're gonna come and we're gonna add some water on the surroundings. This is gonna help it not burn on the bottom. Okay, and you just want to put enough water that it's covering the bottom. Okay, okay guys, so now I'm gonna come with a strainer, because any bits of the egg or any type of particles, you don't want it to go into your flan. You want it to be as creamy as possible. Okay, so this is the only strainer I can find right now. Please don't make fun of me. So I'm gonna just lay it on top, and I'm gonna pour my mixture right in. You hear that cracking? That is the sugar itself, okay? Look at, you want it to come out nice and creamy. Okay. Okay guys, so I just want to show you. I'm going to move it around because it has the coconut bits. I don't want coconut bits in my flan because it's not going to be as smooth and creamy. But it gives it the perfect flavor, okay? And if you want, when you're done baking your flan, you can add some coconut bits on the top. See? And that's it. So now we're going to put this to bake. Okay guys, so this is ready to bake. I have my oven on 350 and we're going to bake this for 45 minutes to an hour depending on your oven. Okay guys, so this has been baking for 1 hour. So what I'm going to do is just remove it from the baño de Maria. Be careful while doing this. You don't want to get burned. And we're just going to push that to the back. And we're going to leave this here and we're going to let that sit for 30 minutes so it can cool down, okay? Okay guys, so this has been cooling for 30 minutes. Okay, so what I'm going to come and do is I'm going to come with a butter knife and I'm just going to remove the sides. Like, I don't want it to stick. Okay? You want to do this gently because you do not want to break into it. Okay? If you break into it, it's fine. No worries. Okay, so once you unstick the sides, what we're going to do gently is we're going to move it side to side. You see how it's already moving? You see that? That's what you want. Okay? So now what I'm going to come and do, that I departed it, I'm going to put this in the fridge. And when you want to keep it in the fridge for like 4 to 6 hours, so it can be nice and cold and good. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just want to show you it's been 6 hours and this is the way my flan looks. You see it? So now we're going to come and we're going to flip this onto a plate. So what I'm going to come and do is I'm going to come with my round dish that I'm using. I'm going to just place it on top. And we're going to flip this as quick as possible without breaking it. We're going to try. Okay? So let me zoom out a little bit. Ready? Let's see. Alright. What you guys think? Ready? Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. And this is ready to serve. Okay guys, so look at how cute this looks. And it tastes good. Trust me. Okay, I just want to show you how nice and soft it is. Look at that. It is so creamy. If you guys try this, please let me know. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below. And like always, have a blessed day.